Good morning guys, in front of me is Pova 6 Neo, and let me show you how to use secret codes. At first, open your phone dialer, and let's start with the shortest code, which is *##06#. And this one will provide you with email and serial numbers assigned to your device. Tap on OK to exit, and another code that you can use here is *##426 4636 #**. And here you've got testing mode, in which you can check phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi details. Okay, so I cannot reach it, however, it usually works. So let me go back. Another code that you can use is *##225 *#*. And here we've got the calendar info. So all upcoming events from every calendar that is connected with this device are displayed right here, right in front of you. And the last code that I want to share with you today is *##426 *#*. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. And if you want to explore it a bit more, just mark on more icon and select advanced view. And now you have a bit more knowledge here. So this is it. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.